Yes, Mr. Session.
Not very good. An unusual prayer, my lord, the writ appeal was filed yesterday. Writ appeal was filed yesterday, but due to some defect, it could not be
Thursday.
registered today.
Thursday.
If possible, only I'll press for issuance of notice only, not this stay. I'll not press for this
It's
stay.
with the question of, will issue notice on Thursday?
My lord,
Will issue notice on Thursday?
on Thursday. Lordship.
Matter is on board. What?
No.
Matter is
I'll
listed.
list.
My lord,
Matter is listed.
could not be listed
Oh,
because
okay.
some defects were there. my lord. Otherwise,
Thursday.
May I, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 15, seeking adjournment for
Hmm.
This is
What?
what, 24 matter.
Lordship, leading counsel is having
Who is senior counsel?
Dilip Majumdar.
Okay. On the ground that Mr. Dilip Majumdar, learned senior counsel appearing in this appeal, has some personal difficulty. Mr. So-and-so, learned
Kentaro.
counsel for the petitioner, appearing on his behalf, has spread for listing of the matter after 4 weeks, 2 weeks.
Lordship,
3 weeks.
31 this
Hmm.
month. 31 of this month.
Hmm?
31 of this month.
31.
Yes.
On 31 July. MS Endangin Learned. You're for legal counsel.
No, Lordship.
Learned
Respondent
counsel
to
for the
victim.
respondents has no objection.
Highly obliged.
Then you just list after soon. List on soon.
May I please your lordship?
Oh.
Lordship, I am appearing through online, lordship. Lordship, this matter is a jail appeal, lordship.
You want to be more comfortable at home?
Lordship, I am
No,
out-
it's difficult unless you are, I mean, very, I mean, beyond your this thing, you should try to appear physically.
Lordship, I'm extremely sorry, but lordship, I am out of station, lordship. I am presently at Tezu, lordship. So why, lordship?
Lordship, here, Lordship, Elshire had to, yet to be called, Lordship. Elshire record, Lordship. And paper book to be paid, Lordship. We are yet to receive Elshire as well as paper book.
It is not called.
Lordship, IA has to be disposed of, lordship. There is
Yes, we have seen it.
Appeal is already admitted. No.
appeal is yet to be admitted, lordship.
Yes.
I
We'll
has,
admit the appeal, call for the records. All right,
lordship.
all right.
All right, lordship.
And Mr. J.J. learned counsel for the appellant. This appeal under section 374, within bracket 2, bracket clause of criminal procedure code.
Why?
Why it should be 374 CRPC? 415.
415 of the BNSS.
415.
Reason am I?
When the appeal was filed, March
2023, lordship.
Correct.
March
2022.
March.
It's the old case, lordship.
Okay,
Hmm.
it just said this appeal is directed against the judgment in order dated 20/04/2018 passed by the London Session Judge in Sessions case number UPR, in Sessions case number 05 of 2024. under section 376D, IPC 1860, whereby the appellant has been convicted and sentenced to, where is the sentence?
Lordship, 20 years, Lordship,
Hmm?
20 years.
Page number 42.
Page number?
Page, Lordship, 39, Lordship,
13,
of the criminal appeal.
38 was
Sorry, 35, Lordship, sorry.
35.
36, Lordship, 20 years and pay of rupees 5,000 of pain.
Where is it? Where is the 36
Establish the case of the amount.
order?
In this page order, yes. 376D. I believe that. Vijay Bora. Vijay Bora. Hmm? Vijay Bora convicted under 376D. Pagination is not done properly. This is 35 of 39, 35. Page number
Internal page.
35.
It's 36, Lordship, in there.
The order in my file is at page 35.
Oh,
Oh, here, where the appellant
I see.
Where is the sentence?
Sentence is here, next page. Vijay Bora to 20 years.
Uh, For rigorous imprisonment for 20 years. No, by which three convicts, namely Techita, Yogi, Rock, and the appellant, have been sentenced to rigorous imprisonment 20 years each and to pay a fine of rupees. Page 36 of internal judgment, so and so. Admit the appeal. Call for the reports. MS L. Hage, learned additional PP and appears for the state, and MS H. Jerab, learned legal aid counsel. Amicus or legal aid? Legal aid counsel. For respondent number 2
Yes.
is also present. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Illegal secretary.
Oh, may please, Lordship, before my brother submit, Lordship, may, Lordship, there is a notification notification dated 17 September 2019, wherein rule 7 of chapter 2 has been amended, Lordship. The instant case is appeal against acquittal, Lordship. So this matter should be listed in the single bench, Lordship.
And this is
7A, Lordship.
acquitted under.
7
what
years.
section?
7B, Lordship. All matters where sentence of death penalty, imprisonment for life, or sentence of imprisonment for period more than 10 years has been awarded shall be heard by the division bench, including appeal and revision against acquittal arising out of cases tried under section 302 IPC. It specifically mentioned 302, Lordship.
POXO is not there.
No, not there, Lordship. Since Instant matter is of
This notification.
acquittal, Lordship.
To be amended.
According to you, only it's the appeal and revisions against the acquittal
Yes.
is only of
302, Lordship.
only be heard by the division bench.
Yes,
If
Lordship.
it is only of 302.
Yes, Lordship.
Allegation,
and-
offense of 302.
The offense more than 10 years, Lordship. But instead is acquittal against the appeal against the acquittal, Lordship.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes, then
Since no punishment was awarded, Lordship.
no, it's against the acquittal and
Yes.
acquittal. No, if it is against the acquittal, it's only 302.
Yes, Lordship. The Lordship appeals and revision against acquittal arising out of cases tried under section 302 only.
Suppose in case if it is to be convicted,
Yes. Then matter will be different, Lordship.
then
But,
single bench will
but
not be.
yes, but here specifically is that appeals and revision, Lordship.
It must be shown. This notification.
This problem arose when I was there also. Really, this is only 302. If you go by the strict construction, right, including appeals and revision against acquittal, arising out of jail. Because they can like us there. But the claim happens here also. Single bench, otherwise there is no other. No, but that bit may refer, but then see the main one. Oh yeah, proviso will be applicable to all.
Single bench may hear any appeal request and revision from the electronic means except the
More than 10 years is passed. Right. Or would be passed, they did not say. Provided further research, such charge. Perhaps it is only with regard to single year. It may refer any particular matter. He thinks with division bench.
I also talked to the deputy registrar. This is the first time, so they also confused. And that's why they are listed.
We faced this problem even there.
Yes.
So,
What do you say?
oh,
What do you say?
what do you do? You wait till this one is gone. Yes. This has to be separate. Myself, I wrote a judgment while sitting in DP, when we came to know this, and then he said, my time is wasted, and then he again said, single bench and pass the same order. But then this is the fact. He wrote and he went.
This is making it.
No, my parents was sitting in single bench and pass the same order, pass the order. But then he did it in single bench. But then
Yeah,
what
if
part
you-
of it is Adjournment?
No, he has taken up.
No,
The-
no,
the
he did
application.
not. He did not tell me. They didn't ask him.
Let us see, we'll take it up on Thursday. You also try to find out.
Definitely.
In view of the notification dated 17/09/2019. However, it is provided that all the matters who are sentenced of death penalty, public imprisonment for life or sentence of imprisonment for more than 10 years has been awarded shall be heard by the division bench, including the appeals and revision against acquittal arising out of cases tried under section 302 IPC. Come on. Let this matter be listed on Thursday. Thursday is what? 3rd 03/07/2020. Directly registry.
We speak to the registry. We can directly register to clarify.
Registry to clarify the issue. The registry to look into the registry is directed to look into the notification. Mention about. We'll take it about the Thursday. We'll see.
All right. Definitely.
And put up a note. Put up a note.
My lord,
What's wrong?
my lord, although the land is single bench, my lord, having taken note of the fact that similarly situated has been reinstated, my lord. Similar treatment has been directed to apply the petitioner also. And only one thing that we are having problem is, my lord, that others similarly situated who has been reinstated, my lord, they had not been given big wages, my lord. From their salary will be start from day of reinstatement, my lord. Here in this case, my lord, big wages will be applied only when it has been done illegally with malified intention or to victimize the person concerned. But it is in present case, it's not the case. It has been done. It cannot be said to be done in malified or victimization manner. That is only, my lord, because in the similarly situated, having treated this, the other 4 cases also, my lord, if it's to be treated equally, my lord, then they have not been given the big wages, my lord. This is only I'm having trouble with this, my lord, because other, as my lord see at page 114, my
Is
lord.
it listed for the first time?
Yes, my lord,
We'll issue notice.
my lord.
No stay. Or if you agree, we'll what do you say? Pay for it. Of course, they have to be illegal, but always they go.
They didn't work, so we done from.
From the date of termination to
Yes,
till the
yes.
reinstate.
Reinstate and allow
wages.
back wages, my lord. That's we
We
are.
have not given back wages to those
No, my lord. That is why, my lord. The other, we have not given back wages, my lord.
similar order.
Not similar
On the
order.
basis of they have been reinstated on the basis of the order of the court.
No, my lord. The authority, they have done show moto administratively level, and the person whose appointment was found to be irregular, though it has been recommended by the district selection committee. In that case, my lord, since appointment was not approved from the headquarter, my lord. On that case, my lord, who have been terminated, their termination has been cancelled and reinstated, but their salary would be from date of reinstatement. Back wages has not been granted. But here by this impugn order, my lord, we have been directed to pay the back wages, my lord, relying upon the apex court decision, wherein it was specifically meant for when the termination is found to be malified and to victimize the person concerned. But in our case, it's not a case, man. So that's why, mother, the back wages, the case of back wages would not be applied in this case.
No. Then why you have discriminated?
Mother, that part, mother, we are not discriminated only on that part, mother, because
Had the petitioner not been terminated, they would have walked and they
mother,
the salary, whatever.
that part is there, my lord. That is why, my lord.
We need to modify also. To that extent, you can say that the interview will extend the modification to the time when the wages will be saved. Okay. Heard Mr. Tita Counsel for the learned standing counsel for the appellant. This next para, intra-court appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 13/05/2025, passed by the learned single judge in WPC 582 of 2023. Whereby the termination of the petition, the respondent, petitioner, is held to be illegal and set aside the same, and also directed to provide back wages. Back wages.
Yes, back wages.
Issue notice. Will issue notice.
My lord.
Will issue notice.
We'll have to.
Issue notice to the respondent. One
One, my lord.
respondent by respondents. Huh?
So responding.
Returnable by 4 weeks. Learned counsel for the appellant to take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent within 2 days. Within 2 days. Well, this after 3 days. Same order.
My lord, same order, my lord.
Same order.
And same order, and only
Date of order.
WPC number, my lord, 83 to 87, my lord, sequence, my lord. Same order.
Up to 8. Huh? You just find out the.
Declare.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, as per last order dated 11/9/2024, service report, service upon respondent number 11 was still awaited.
Yes.
But as per office note dated 17/6/25, Wakalatnama has been filed on behalf of respondent number 11.
Yes.
Service is completed, Your Lordship.
Who has filed? Who is appearing for respondent number 11, 14, 25, and 34? So all
All,
service.
yes, service completed, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I am for private respondent number 3235.
3 to
35.
35.
Yes.
And who else? Who is for 11, 14, 25, and 34? You are for
Yes, I am for all the private respondent.
all the private. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
So what is
So, Your Lordship, next, it may be fixed for hearing after the
not
vacation.
hearing? We'll listen for admission hearing.
Admission hearing, okay, Your Lordship.
Heard MS Swens learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Tita learned
Standing counsel.
appellant, huh? Learned standing counsel for education department.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. MS
P. Moyong.
P. Moy learned counsel enters appearance on behalf of all the private respondents. Mr. Service is complete. Therefore, services are complete. This for admission hearing after when? Thursday.
Your Lordship,
Thursday.
Your Lordship, after the vacations, after vacation, Your Lordship.
Okay. After 3 weeks.
Give your pledge.
Respondents are still awaited.
Respondent number? Who is for 2?
My lord, I am appearing for 2.
Okay, you have taken the steps on 24th
Yes,
of,
Lord.
March or what? Okay, complete.
My lord.
Respondent number 5 and 6, the state PWD highway matter. My lord, from going through the petition of PI, my lord, the 5 and 6 are not necessary parties, my lord. The tender has been issued by the NSDCL, my lord, and project is, my lord, taken up by the NSDCL, my lord.
But then it's under your,
No, no,
okay.
directly, my lord, ministry.
Yes, what do you say?
In that case, Lordship, the board 5 and 6 may be strike off from the.
Heard Mr. K. Learn counsel for the petitioners. Petitioners,
Yes, Lord. Petitioners.
since the parties are, the respondents are represented by, who else are there? You're the MS.
Second, Indian.
You are for one, who is for one?
I'm for one
Mr. So and so on behalf of, yes, on behalf of learned DSGY for, Mr. N. Pada, learned counsel for respondent number 2.
Oh, my lord.
Learned counsel and MSG at learned additional senior members.
Four and 6.
Services are complete. Please, next para. It is submitted by Mr. R.C. Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of
5 and 6.
respondent number 5
5
and
and
6.
6.
Chief engineer.
That the chief engineer and the executive engineer highway PWD highway division, PWD government Arunachal Pradesh has no role in the construction of the road.
Yes, my lord.
In the present case, they are not a necessary party, accordingly afraid striking of the respondent number 5 and 6 from the area of parties list of having considered the submissions and the prayer not being objective, rather agreed that they may not be necessary, and the respondent 5 and 6 may not be necessary parties by Mr. K. Lal Council for the petition, the name of the respondent 5-6 stands struck off from the area of parties. List for admission hearing after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
What is IA?
Yes, your lordship. I, on behalf of the petitioners in the original PIL number 19 of 2024.
Seeking permission, or are you, is it an application for implement?
Your lordship, if I may narrate the background of how we have come with this IA regarding the last order. Your lordship, in this parent original petition, PIL number 19, the latest orders directed me to.
See, let us not go waste our time, including yours. You file a implement application, one. Then you file an application for amendment, we'll consider. You just don't make it clumsy. All right?
Because there was one reason, your lordship, if your lordship may allow.
It's okay, you narrate every reason in that application.
Sure. Then I will definitely file amendment as well with the necessary.
You file
petition.
2 applications, one for IA, the application, one for implement, one for amendment. We'll
Sure.
consider.
Sure, your lordship.
It will be better.
Much obliged.
Unnecessary going back to all those Ramayans. Why?
I thought it's didn't fit, your lordship. Hence, it's a bona fide endeavor.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, Mr. So-and-so, Counsel for the petitioner, the applicant oblique petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this IA with the liberty to file appropriate application. Prayers allowed. The petitioner may file appropriate application for implement as and amendment for seeking amendment as well.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
We have prayed for adjournment also.
So,
Madam, adjourn the month of August.
AG is
AG,
appeared.
we should not.
Lordship,
We have consented.
are you seriously pursuing the matter?
Yes, Lordship, this is clearly constitutional violation, Lordship.
We have to hear the matter, we have to dispose of the matter.
Lordship, in fact, I am
Every time one of the other pretexts, it gets adjourned.
Lordship, hardly I had
And
one
it
time.
goes off from the hands of the division bench all the time.
Lordship, particular that may be given so that as you can.
Mr.
Lordship,
As the land counsel for the land senior government advocate submits that since the submits that London Advocate General who has been requested to appear in this matter has some personal difficulty today, for which he prays for listing of the matter after
Lordship, 11th of August.
after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, and prayer not being objected to by Mr. J. Kato, Land Counsel for the petition. Let this matter be listed on 11th
11 August.
and as agreed to by Land Counsel for the province. Let this matter be listed on 11/08/08/2025.
That's level August, Lordship.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, minor
Yes.
respondent will not file and affidavit in opposition. Affidavit in opposition, my lord, affidavit in opposition.
What affidavit in opposition?
Oh.
There is no affidavit in opposition filed.
In the
In this-
writ petition, we have filed also.
Then
Actually, his senior called me up this morning. His inability to attend the court today.
so he is arguing the matter.
No, my lord.
Argue. All the matters cannot be adjourned. All the matters cannot be listed for adjournment.
My lord, it's done.
Hmm?
My lord, sometime when
You argue the matter, what's there? What is the matter?
matter is minor. Appeal, this appeal is a matter.
Hmm?
Challenging the single bench order. my lord.
Dismissal,
Yes, my
dismissal
lord.
from service.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
On the ground of my lord. Delay and the lapse, my lord.
Records clearly reveals
Yes, my lord.
that you are found to be negligent and there is no ground to interfere with the decision of the disciplinary authority.
Yes, my lord.
There is no ground. The very, very good draft. With the matter is listed for the hearing. Admission and
It's not living time, don't be bounded.
Yes, sir. Please proceed. How many persons were there? No, no. It's not dismissal. Withholding of 1 year increment. It's not dismissal. Madam,
Lordship,
punishment is withholding of 1 year increment, not the dismissal.
Yes,
my lord.
Petition.
What is the punishment?
Punishment is, my lord, exactly this, my lord, not mentioned, my lord, it was 1 year.
Not mentioned.
Yes.
Punishment is not mentioned. Very strange. On the prayer of Mr.
Dalbang, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tapa. List the matter after 8 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
8 weeks. You don't know what is the order, what is your punishment.
No, my lord. Kindly 3 weeks, my lord.
Don't appear like this.
Yes, my lord.
It's not good for your
Yes.
health in the career.
Yeah. Also, I would like to mention item number 19, Lordship. 19, Lordship, 19, Lordship.
Yes,
Also, on instruction, Lordship.
withdraw.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. G. Bam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. Mr. Therefore, prays for permission to withdraw, prays for withdrawal of the writ petition.
No objection.
Prayer not, no, Mr. So-and-so, BP, Learned Standing Counsel,
Yes, my lord.
Rural Development Department is present. The only prayer of having considered the writ petition is allowed to be withdrawn, list of accordingly. Same instance dismissed as withdrawal.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 20.
20.
Yes, my lord. I've taken consent from the petitioner also, my lord. The
What is there?
My lord, I'm up for the respondent number 3. The contact counsel is not available, Your Honor.
So what is there?
My lord, I pray for adjournment for today, my lord.
Why? Why?
The conducting counsel is not available today, my lord.
Who is for the petitioner? Item
I have
20.
informed the petitioner in the today itself, my lord.
You just who is not available today?
The counsel for respondent number 3, my lord.
We'll see. It's listed for hearing. We'll see.
My lord, if you kindly accommodate, my lord, after vacation or after 3 weeks.
Who is for the petitioner? Anybody appearing item 20? If he doesn't appear, we'll dismiss for default.
No, I informed the petitioner today, my lord.
It's not your convenient all the time, sir. What is the reason for seeking adjournment?
The counsel for respondent number 3 is not available today, my lord.
Why not available?
Due to some family engagement, my lord, he could not.
You are Mr.
T. Marangar. Appearing for Mr. N. Khera.
Mr. T. Marangar, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
Nitin Khera.
N. Khera, Learned Counsel for the all the respondents.
Only respondent number 3, my lord.
Submits that Mr. Khera, Learned Counsel has some due to family problem, Mr. Khera, Learned Counsel has could not is indisposed today. Therefore, he has taken a consent from the Learned Counsel to the petitioner. And prays for adjournment of the matter. Praise the Lord. List the matter after 4 weeks.
My lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I am here for the state respondents.
You record on. No, that's why I'm saying. I mean, this is for that thing. Put bridge.
Yes, my
something
lord,
like
for
that.
that foot over bridge.
Huh?
For that foot over bridge in Pasigat.
What?
For that foot over bridge in Pasigat, my lord.
Put over bridge. Huh? That's what
Yes,
I think.
Yes.
What relief we can provide to the petitioner now?
Nothing.
Must have been completed.
Yes.
We have filed a
At
status
best, he
report also.
if we find that something is done wrong, I mean, if the award is or the rejection is illegal, then he may seek damages. That's all.
Yes, Lordship.
I mean, so casual. The petitioners, list border. Just because they had a talk with the respondent, they just list border. Anyway.
Highly obliged, my lord.
My lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 8.
8.
In this, we need some more time to file affidavit.
Biritaha and others. Yes, any MSK one London State Council
Lordship,
prays for
in this case, your lordship had appeared in a writ petition involving
okay, so
submissions,
not
yes.
before this court.
Yes.
List the matter before any other appropriate bench without me.
Obliged.
That's what I was thinking. I mean, name appears to be little
Familiar.
familiar, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of K lawyer.
Item number?
3
Yes.
on behalf of K lawyer for petitioner, Lordship.
Not before this bench. Same.
Yes, Lordship.
Not before this bench.
Obliged, Lordship.
You said list the matter before approved bench without.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention item number 5, my lord. The leading counsel Deep Angin is out of the station.
On the prayer of at the request of Mr. M. Doji, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Deep Angin, on the ground that Mr. Deep Angin has some personal difficulties, list this matter after 4 weeks.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks, huh?
All right.
May I please, my lord? I like to mention item number 21, my lord.
21.
21, my lord. On behalf of Kati Tata, the leading counsel, that he is not feeling well. Hell, you should later maybe. The leading counsel is not feeling well, ma'am. Later maybe kindly fix on 21st July.
So 2 hearing matters over. We'll finish it up before 1. Every day jobless.
Actually, I mean that item number 21.
21.
It's a small matter if they want small adjournment.
Actually, the leading counsel is Tati Tatag.
Mr.
The file
Tapak is
office-
not feeling well, my lord.
And he's not feeling well today. He just instruct me to take adjourn, maybe after vacation.
On the prayer of MS
Over me.
MS so-and-so Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tatak, Land Council, to the petitioners submits that Mr. Tatak has some has health issues.
Health issues.
Health issue.
And for phrase for listing of the matter after 2 weeks, which the prayer not being objected to by Additional Advocate General, Mr. Additional Kumar, that this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Well, can it be, my lord, somewhere in my lord 21, 22 after my lord
You decide?
22, my lord?
22.
22, my lord. All right, my lord.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I would beg to mention item number 10. Due to unavoidable circumstances, learned counsel, Shri Senior
We'll
Learned
say it's listed for orders. What order has to pass? Be there. Be there. We'll see. This is for orders.
Yes.
We'll
Yeah.
see.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship, the case, the petitioner herein said, Lordship, the petitioner was appointed as engaged as casual laborer on in the year 2019, and subsequently she was appointed as WC Mali through DPC in the year 2021.
When did you come back?
Lordship, I came back in
After 3 years.
yes, after 3 years. After
What you are doing?
yes, prolonged illness, Lordship.
Even if you are illness, if you gone for treatment,
Yes, Lordship.
there's no procedure.
Lordship, I have intimated my health
How
condition
to
to the
obtain the leave and for treatment on this medical
Yes,
ground.
Lordship.
There's no rules as such.
Yes, Lordship.
There's no rule.
No, Lordship, I have duly intimated my health condition to the controlling
On your
officer.
own-
So in written,
On
Lordship.
your own, you went off, and on your own, you came back. Is it the way to be a government servant?
In fact, Lordship, I was not in
There's
position.
certain procedure.
Yes, Lordship.
There's certain rules you have to follow.
Yes. In fact, that is the Lordship, but I have intimated.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship, there is no, no.
it appears to be your
Medical-
joining has not been accepted.
Yes,
Yeah.
Lordship.
Has it been
Deliberately,
accepted?
I presume that deliberately they
Has
are
it
not.
been accepted?
No, Lordship.
He
But
simply-
there is no any reason, any such reason they have.
There's no order.
No.
You
Even
obtain
no
instruction-
notice.
You obtain instruction
I will,
Friday,
Lordship.
Friday. If we find that if there's
There's a
nothing,
simple application that she is leaving for medical treatment, that much only.
No,
And then
thereafter, when he has, she claims that she or he,
See.
she claims that she joined back after 2 years.
3 years.
For
Lordship.
3 years, she was performing her duty. She has been allowed to perform. Only the formal order has not been passed.
Lordship.
That's why I wonder, even if you come back after 10 years, or maybe 5 years, or maybe whatever, more than or below, less than that. First, you have to obtain the leave, whatever, as per the rules. Even after that, when you join back, you have a duty as an authority. And then don't accept it or do, take recourse to as per the rules.
Lordship,
It
she
appears to
was,
be everyone is, including the departments.
she was
are so casual.
elevated in the rank of WC in 2021 itself. And
Yes,
within
yes, I'm
3 months, she goes up, Lordship.
WC is something,
There is 2 years probation period in the regular employees also.
who is
Here-
who is stopping you from taking action, initiating action?
That's true, Lordship.
That's what I'm saying. Everyone is casual,
Yes.
not only the petitioner. That's why you obtain instruction. We'll see if notice has to be issued or not.
Lordship,
Or you will
notice
issue,
may be-
will issue notice.
Yes, Lordship, notice may be issued.
Heard Mr. Aringo, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has sought for a direction to the respondent authorities. To what? What do you want?
Accept my joining letter, Lordship.
Huh?
Accept the joining letter.
To
Letter-
accept the joining
Joining letter.
report dated 24/10/2025 and to pay the what is it called? Wages.
Yes. It
Pay
is
the
called salary.
salary or
since-
wages?
Since he has
Salary.
promoted as
Salary.
WT Bali, yeah, salary. not
And
the
the,
salary.
and to pay wages, pay her salary, including the areas. List of the petitioner who is working as
Lordship,
WC
Mali.
what?
WC Mali.
WC Mali in the department of where?
PWD.
PWD at Kaing
Yes,
division.
Kaing subdivision.
Kaing subdivision. Claims to have undergone treatment for 2 years by filing an application of leave. Thereafter, she has when did you left? Well, when did you leave this thing for treatment?
Lordship of 27 July 2021.
From 27 July 2021 to
To 18 August 2023.
when did you file the joining report?
Joining report on 2024 2024.
October, Lordship.
October.
Till when? Till
24/10/2024.
24th? No, this is 25. You have joined in 25.
Yes, Lordship.
Your treatment.
No, Lordship, I joined in 24/10/2024, Lordship.
You have written 25.
Yes, Lordship. In my joining report, it is 24, Lordship.
No.
Yes, page number 56, Lordship.
When I said last line. From 21/7.
Yes, Lordship.
7/20/21 to
Lordship, I left the office for treatment on 27/7/2021, Lordship. 27/7/2021, Lordship.
2020.
Yes, I left
From
for treatment.
2020 to 7/2020, to
27/7/2021, Lordship. To
27/7/2021. That is 1 year.
no, Lordship, 27 July 2021 to 18th October 2024, Lordship. My treatment lasted
It's
for
more than 2
right.
years. Is
27 July 2020
2021.
to 2018
18th October 2024, Lordship.
2024. So this is more than 4 years.
No, Lordship, this is
2021, Lordship.
yes, more than 3 years, Lordship.
He's saying 20, you are saying 2021.
No, he
Who
just
is
said-
who is correct?
No, Lordship, I left the office for treatment on 27 July 2021.
Yes.
Thereafter, I again my treatment completed on 18th October 2024. And again, I joined the office on 24 October 2024.
But you have written 25 in your prayer, page 17. And has joined
3
office
years.
on 24/10/2025. List of it is submitted that despite in spite of her joining, the respondent authorities has not paid and continuous service and in spite of joining in the office and continue to serve, she has not been paid the salary till date. She has not been paid salary, paid her salary. Please issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As MSG at Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
No formal notice.
If Lordship may kindly make an
Except for
observation.
declared counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice. Huh? Yes.
If Lordship may kindly make an observation that funding of this writ petition shall not bar the respondent authority to accept the joining letter.
Next para. Considering that the petitioner is working as a WC Mali, pendency of the writ petition shall not be barred to consider her case in accordance with law, in accordance with the rules.
And even my pending representation also.
No. Your case including everything, but as per the rules.
Clear.
Application. My lord, the instant case before the lordship is pertaining to the transport. My lord, I was serving as my lord, headmaster in charge in the Langkong Primary School.
Yes.
In view of the transfer order dated, my lord, 3rd July 2024. Now the present impugn before the lordship is the impugn order was passed on 20 June 2025. Even before the completion of the 1 year in my posting place. So my lord may kindly come to see the page number 18.
19. Come to 19.
My lord.
So what are the grounds why you cannot be transferred?
Because my lord, recently I am holding the headmaster in charge of the school. Secondly, my lord, my transport is yet to complete. Even my lord, I have not completed 1 year. And at the same time, my lord, I am at the Langkong along with my family, including the my lord, infant parent man. Therefore, at this stage, my lord, this transport should.
Sangkong and Koloriang is how far? What is the distance?
My lord, around.
It's the same district. Same district.
Of course, my lord, this is same district, but my lord,
Koloriang is an headquarter.
Koloriang is the headquarter, but the Sangkong is
Better
the
place. Go.
My lord.
No ground. Dismissed.
No, my lord. At least, my lord, so far, I'll take the lordship, my lord. As per the, my lord, existing notification that there is a violation of the guideline of the, my lord, especially the transport and the posting policy of the teacher adopted by the Department of the Government of Arunachal Pradesh is in, as per my lord, 10 February 2020. The teacher has to be, my lord, at least in the posting place, my lord, the tenure need to be completed at least 3 years, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the schedule has been met when the teacher should be transferred. And accordingly, the calendar, as per the calendar, my lord, all
Law is well settled. It's a guideline only.
My lord. So this guideline is being plotted, my lord.
What is the guideline?
My lord, may kindly come to page number 26. The government of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to authorize the Education Department to frame the Arunachal Pradesh teacher posting and the policy guideline as 2019 and 20 as follows. So these are guideline and operating, my lord, may kindly come to page number 29. That's part of the calendar here. Where, my lord, the department has specifically made that page 29, my lord. Here, my lord, the Article 8, transport and the calendar. If, my lord, if we observe that subclause 2, the following time schedule shall be brought for the purpose of transport and posting every year. And the last one, my lord, F, 16 May to 31st May, dispose of all the transport related to the case and the process completion. Meaning thereby, my lord, after 31st May 31st May of every year, no teacher should be, my lord, made for
So
transport.
problem is this is a guideline.
My lord.
This is a guideline.
My lord. So this is the guideline and this has been, my lord, followed by the department.
So,
and at the same time, my lord will find in the next 30 page, general guideline for transport. Sub-clause 3. Minimum service period, my lord got it, sub-clause 3.
yes,
Minimum service period in the school for seeking the transport shall be 3 years and the minimum service in the school shall be 5 years as on 31st March academic year subject to this. Now, my lord, if my lord observed under what circumstances this transport order has been passed, my lord, this has been passed just to accommodate the private respondent. I'll take back to the lordship to the page number 19, my lord, or 18, my lord. My name is appear in the first. This is my lord. And the private respondent is my lord 2, my lord, page number 18. The private respondent has been, my lord, this transport government middle school to, my lord, same school as a headmaster in charge. Meaning thereby just only to accommodate the private respondent, my lord, this transfer has been made. Otherwise, if the department wanted I should be, my lord, vacate the transport headmaster in charge, my lord, that would have been a different issue. But just to accommodate the other person, why, my lord, I should be transferred from that school, my lord. So that basically transfer should be based on the public administration and exigencies of the, my lord, service. But here in this transfer has been, my lord, made just to accommodate, my lord.
you want to continue as a
other
in-charge
person.
headmaster.
My lord.
Are you a regular headmaster?
My lord.
Regular?
Not regular, I am taking, my lord, in charge of the headmaster, my lord. Therefore, my lord, at least if the other person is appointed in my place as a
We
headmaster,
don't
my lord.
know. Sir, we don't know. This is by your deputy director of school education. It's within the district.
My lord.
It's within the district.
My lord, since the teachers, my lord, normally the posting of teachers are, my lord, taking place within the districts, my lord. So under the, my lord, disposals of the deputy director of the school education, my lord. So normally transfer are take place within the district from one village to other village. So, my lord, in my
You
case,
have not been sent out of the world.
in my case, my lord, since so far I have not completed even 1 year in the same post, my
You
lord.
are within district. Look at us. Every 2 weeks, we travel 4 states.
My lord, that
Every
is,
after 2 weeks.
my lord, that is something different. But what the department adopted, my
Same
lord.
thing.
Therefore, my lord.
You are
If-
also serving the people. You are also serving the people.
Therefore, my lord, at this stage, my prayer would be let the notice be issued. At the same time, my lord, this
Only
should be
notice.
issued. No, my lord, I'm praying for, my lord, this staying of the
You
transfer,
know,
my lord. Otherwise,
law is very well settled. It's a guideline.
my lord.
Unless you establish a violation of statutory rules
My lord,
or a clear case of malafide or a arbitrary exercise of power.
my lord,
There are three persons. They know better where to be placed. The teachers.
in pertaining to the transparent posting policy,
Yes.
my lord, there is no particular specific law. That is why, my lord, this transfer policy has been framed.
Therefore, the policy is to be held by the catena of judgment by the Supreme Court. It's not enforceable. It's a guideline.
My lord. Despite of that, my lord,
So as law, when it said if there is a violation of the guidelines, courts should immediately rush and interfere.
even then also, my
Rather,
lord,
it is contrary.
even then also, my lord, this is the, my lord, though I don't having at this time before
There is no
this
allegation.
concrete law.
There is no allegation malafide.
Exactly, my lord, there is an allegation. I have a serious allegation
Against whom?
against the authority. Why, my lord, authority should be transferred? How I should be subjected to the frequent
mean?
transfer, my lord.
What do you mean malafide?
There is a malafide and a whimsical because, my lord, why just to adjust the other person in my as a headmaster in charge, my lord.
We don't know. You are in charge. You have been allowed to hold the charge of in charge.
I admit that.
For 1 year.
Not for, my lord, 1 year.
How many?
Since that was the transfer, therefore, as per the transfer
Now, how many
rule,
months? Not a year.
not years, at least nine months.
At least 9 months. So allow your colleague to have the pleasure of having or privilege of having in charge for another 2-3 months at least.
But, my lord, there is a violation of the guideline.
Which is not enforceable under the law. A guideline.
Despite of that also, my lord, so far, my lord, the general law pertaining to the service transport in the state is concerned, my lord, this 2 years is at least the minimum tenure.
Law. It's a guideline again. You show us any legal malice.
Otherwise, my lord, must
Representation.
yes, my lord. There, that after also this representation was also submitted. If, my lord, go through the representation, my lord.
This court
Beside, in addition to my representation, other school members are also submit the same line that I should be there. So, my lord, this is, though this is not the law, but what is the fact is that
Who
without
said that you
reason.
should continue there? That will be more dangerous. You are a teacher.
My lord.
We believe and we have an immense respect for the teachers. Had it not the teacher, all of us would not have been here.
So, my lord, at this instance, at least, my lord, notice be issued.
That's all.
My lord, as per the facts and the
We'll
circumstances,
issue
my lord.
notice, that's all. We'll see. What do you say? Sir, we're not that yet to. So only violation of the
So, my lord, at the same time, my lord, if notice is, my lord, this can be disposed of, my lord, by directing dispose of the representation since I have ventilated my grievances before the concerned authority. My lord. So, because my lord, only issue, mere issuing of the notice shall be my lord.
And mind you, this court is also doesn't believe in issuing a futile order. This will be unnecessary. I'm giving you an opportunity. Any legal menace will interfere.
My lord, let the notice be issued. Notice to be issued, my lord. Praying for issue.
It doesn't warrant issuance of the notice also.
Let the authority be, my lord.
Anyway, heard Mr. C. Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 20/06/2025, issued by the Deputy Director of School Education, Kurungkume District, Kolonial, by which 3 primary teachers have been transferred, including the petitioner, where he has been transferred from Government Middle School, Changkung,
to Colonial,
to Government UPS Colonial Town. List of. It is the contention of learned counsel for the petitioner that the impugn order has been passed in violation of the teachers transfer and posting policy 2019 to 2020 within bracket education, bracket close, as the respondent authority has issued the transfer order in the month of June, whereas the all the transfer related cases are to be processed and completed from 16 May to 31st May of the transfer calendar year. And also the policy provides that provides for a minimum 3 years of service in a particular place for seeking transfer. Mr. Modi, learned counsel for the learned counsel further submits that apart from violation of the transfer policy, the impugn order has been passed only to accommodate the private respondent number
4,
respondent number 4, to allow him to hold the charge of in-charge headmaster. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Next para. As Mr. T. Tagam, learned standing counsel, enters for education department, enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 3. No formal notice need be served. Over extra copies, huh? So and so. the counsel for the petitioner to take a steps for service of notice upon response number 4 by registered post so within 2 days from today. Having next para. Consider that the normal process of having considered that the normal process of transfer and posting has to be completed by 16 May to 31st May as per of the calendar year, as per the policy, transparent policy, and also it indicates a normal tenure of 3 years. As well as the petitioner having been sought to be transferred before the completion of 1 year. In the meantime, the status quo as on today shall be maintained by the parties so far as the transparent posting of the petitioner and the respondents are concerned.
Okay.
List after 4 weeks.
Letter of absence is
Will not, Mr. Modi, will not create, let us not create confusion. We'll clear it, list of next para. Status quo shall be maintained by the meaning thereby, if the petitioner has not been released and the respondent number 4 has not been joined, they shall remain in their place of posting. By today, by today, they shall remain in their respective place of posting. Earlier respective place of posting. We'll make it clear. But if it is already released, then join. Because we find that the status quo creates more confusion than the clarity.
Okay.
Yes.
The who is letter of action? Counsel for the petitioner is the who. This letter of action is
But then you have not. Oh, who is supposed to file additional affidavit?
My lord, yes, during pendency, there's subsequent development taken place, madam. This, the petitioner or the private respondent, madam, their disqualification has been revoked and they have been taken back in the BJP on merger. They have accepted the earlier merger, having accepted, they have again.
They have
back to again
back to
BJP.
the
First was, madam, they were BJP and the merger, BJP from PPA was not according to that was put to challenge, madam. The authority, district authority, madam, competent authority under Disqualification Act, madam, they have not found any illegalities in merging, madam. Merging of the private respondent hearing from BJP to PPM. Then ultimately the order is put to challenge in this writ petition.
That rejection of the disqualification.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
That was put to challenge this petition. Now, subsequently, during pendency, madam, by their own.
They have come back to the.
Yes, BJP. They have accepted, madam. They have revoked the disqualification issued by BJP against those PPA, ZPM, was merged from BJP to PPA. They have revoked and finally they have taken back.
So, is there any pending cases?
Pending
proceedings regarding the disqualification?
That pending before the authority.
You never know. The other party may again.
That is the matter.
That's why I'm asking whether any proceedings of disqualification is pending.
No proceeding is pending, madam.
Yes, where is the order? Impugn order by the deputy commissioner.
Page 49 also.
$49.
Page 49.
Hmm. So what do you say?
See, subsequent development for me is not relevant to the issue raised in the present lead petition also. Because that act of lawsuit, whether that act is amounting to lawsuit.
No, this writ petition is by whom?
By the petition, by the
By the earlier lawsuit, ZPM lawsuit.
No, petitioner. Who are the petitioners?
Petitioner was the earlier lawsuit, he was a.
No.
Madam petitioner, the one is Madam earlier who was ZPC.
Huh.
In the Papumpar district from BJP and not BJP, Madam. They were from JDU, Madam. And other petitioners, the member disciplinary action committee of Bharatiya Janata. Petition number was the ZPC was JDU, Madam. Petitioner, Madam. Tipu Babu was former ZPC. He's from JDU. He was JDU.
There are two petitioners.
Yes, madam. Number one is
Jila Parishad
Yes.
member and the Disciplinary Action Committee,
Yes.
BJP.
Here, other chairperson only. Tuku Babu was earlier chairperson only. बीजेपी का नहीं है कंप्लेंट तो बीजेपी का नहीं है बीजेपी का नहीं ओरिजिनली जेडीयू एरिया में तो बीजेपी का कैपेसिटी से फैल किया वही तो बीजेपी का है पहले जेडीयू का मार्केट है तो जेडीयू का तो मतलब नहीं है बीजेपी का ही है
Petitioner number is, he remains as a BJP, I mean ZPM.
Yes.
From the BJP party.
Yes. Petition number one, madam. It was earlier UDA, JDU. Madam.
JDU. They merged to the
BJP.
BJP. And so after that, these respondents, they again merged
to PPM.
PPM. And now they have come back.
Again.
So how what grievance they can have now?
Madam, that is the authority, but they've accepted Madam merger and they have revoked their disqualification they have issued against the
Once it is, how you can say that it should be, again, they should be wrongly done or not? The basis is expulsion.
Yes.
Expulsion from the party.
That was
Is not it?
While being in the PPA lawsuit, they moved lawsuit. No completed motion against the lawsuit petition number one lawsuit. Whether merging to the lawsuit PPA, whether that is lawsuit done as per the rules or not.
So
this is one of the issue lawsuit. Because case of the petition is there are still those members of the BJP who gone against the BJP lawsuit which issued by the BJP lawsuit in the no confidence motion lawsuit. That's the issue. And whereas the extent of the lawsuit response are there, they have already duly marched to the PPA.
and they constitute lordship 2/3 of the majority. So therefore, there's no lordship. And accordingly, the authority who proceeded under this law, they have decided that there's no lordship.
There's no violation.
Yes, no violation.
They consist of minimum
Therefore,
2/3 requirement.
Therefore, the
2/3 is required or what?
2/3 is
So merger.
2/3.
So once they come back, what's there?
Yes.
They will not have any grievance.
Lordship, me to lordship, but issue because that act lordship.
But then this is ordered by the deputy commissioner.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
is the authority lordship.
Yes. We'll close it. Matter has become in process. What do you say?
Madam.
Who has to file the additional affidavit? Most probably by you.
My lord, this subsequent development, my lord, that's to be brought into. I'll bring it to you.
Yeah, you say.
My lord.
You have,
this
you
new
have paid
development,
for additional affidavit, bring this subsequent development. Huh?
my lord.
You have not filed.
My lord, I've
We'll
got,
close it. What's there?
my lord.
I have no objection.
No, what do you say?
My lord, exactly, even under
The
the.
problem is the petitioner.
This
is-
is the only
Institute
issue.
also.
Otherwise, I have no objection.
You inform him. We'll take it up on Friday.
I think he's out of his session. This morning he told me out. He's at Bali also.
Hmm?
He's at Bali. Out of country.
We'll close it. What's there? These petitioners filed when they were. They have come back. So they will not have a grievance now. It's
issue
all
is not
ultimately
going-
elected representative. Why unnecessary we should? Hmm?
The issue is lordship whether it's going out or coming lordship. That's not the issue here. Lordship. They have gone
No,
against
who
the.
has filed the petition? It's not a public interest litigation. Who has filed the petition? Who has
BJP.
filed the petition?
BJP lordship.
Yes, they have come back. They filed the petition when they were away from BJP.
But that action remains here. Lordship. That action remains here.
So
Lordship.
that decision will be, the deputy commission will remain. Because the authority found that the action of merger was correct.
Because agreed by that, they have filed the present.
Yes.
So it's up to this. I have no objection.
See, well, their ground is basically only that since they have been, disqualified, terminated from the
BJP.
BJP, therefore they earn disqualification. That law is also settled on that. Vishwanathan and Amarsi.
No, that is there also.
Anyway, you filed the additional affidavit. Not appears for the petitioner on call. Whether if it's a letter of absence is not in this. And Mr. Mr. Estafin London and senior government advocate. And Ms. Tita London Council for the London Council. Present, Mr. Further 2 weeks time is granted to Mr. Tita London Council to file additional affidavit to bring on the subsequent development in the case within 2 weeks time. No? Yeah, this after 2 weeks.
Lordship here, I have filed my affidavit, the reference number 2 and 3. But Lordship, in between you did have a council. It's not there anymore and then let standing council.
Response number 4.
Yes,
You want from them?
yes, Lordship, because there is a, still Lordship, this may be.
What is the matter?
It's a eviction matter, because.
Yes, my lord, eviction matter, my lord.
You have your father, then mother, then your wife,
Yes.
Yes.
and you have encroached the kitchen garden of the gutter, and then you raise the bill, I mean, RCC building. What is this?
Without allotment.
My lord,
What more?
my lord, in 1980s, my father's.
What more action
allot-
could be
allotted.
treated and condemned?
My lord, since there is no house, he has not been filed the affidavit.
And that point of, no, it's not a question of housing. Admittedly, you have encroached the government land. Your only claim is that at that relevant point of time, the requirement is there should be a gap between 4 meters
Yes,
between the government quarter and the private land.
yes.
That would be applicable when you are allotted.
Yes.
When you are allotted, you don't have the allotment. You just first use it as a kitchen garden. If you, I mean, accept your abatements, and then you constructed
My
the
lord.
RCC house building.
Not exactly, my lord. My lord, I have applied for the land allotment. And
No, until the time it is given,
And-
just because you have applied, you cannot be given,
my
right?
lord, survey.
What is the distance? 4 meters. It's
more-
a
more
kitchen,
than-
it's
more
kitchen
than-
garden for the that government quarter, which you have been allowed to, allotted to you, your wife,
My lord,
finally.
there is the normal, my lord, my lord may see the report of
Not
the,
Mr. So and so, huh?
My-
We're dismissing,
my lord,
we're dismissing the writ petition.
my lord,
You want to argue.
my lord, allotment of,
Anything you want to argue.
yes, my lord. My lord may kindly see the, see the report of the land, report of the
Doesn't give
survey.
any right over you. Admittedly, there's a distance of 4 meters. You
Yes.
demolish.
My lord,
We'll give you time.
okay.
We'll
My-
give you time to demolish.
My lord, I've already construction structure, my lord.
You have illegally.
My lord,
Who has permitted you?
my lord,
Who has permitted you? And what rule and what even semblance of notification of the government
my lord,
show us that it permits you, which permits you. Just occupy, apply, then construction.
my lord, actually, this all or क्या बोलते हैं, Itanagar,
This is why one by one we clean up, one by one.
at least I have not,
Who is within our jurisdiction?
my lord, the way I have
Who-
occupied the land and
Whoever comes to our jurisdiction will clean up one by one.
my lord may see my conduct, my lord, first, my lord, before.
What conduct? First, you establish that you have a right to construct the land over this plot of government land. What is your right?
I've applied for the land allotment and survey has been, survey report has been there, wherein
See-
in survey report, my lord, it is
See,
clearly.
even if it is allotted,
Yes, my lord.
it can be cancelled also. It's a public property, it's a government land.
And moreover, my lord, there was order saying, my lord, it should be
That I have
After
already
filing.
indicated.
yes.
That will apply when the land is allotted.
And there is no
Anyway, heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. I'm just giving you time to reflect on yourself. You want some time to file affidavit.
Also, last occasion also I have
Uh,
at the same submission, but because it's not
further, on the
forthcoming.
prayer of MSG at London additional senior government, but further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit on behalf of respondent number 4.
Or if not.
Others you have already filed. For others you have already filed.
Yes, Lord.
Yeah, okay. Next para. Having noticed that the petitioner has illegally constructed RCC building over the plot of land
Within the compound of the
Come
government quarter. lot.
within the government land, which is within the compound of the quarter number, government quarter number. You just give the number, government quarter number, you take the number. Or should I find out? Yes, quarter number.
Quarter number C70.
Where do you get it?
Lordship 93, I am seeing it.
Page.
93 in my affidavit in opposition. Oh, what's it?
In my paragraph, page number 6, paragraph 3. Here I have depicted quarter number.
Government quarter number C-70/T, capital T dash Roman 2 at H sector, Itanagar, which has been still allotted your wife.
Yes.
Still within your,
Yes, yes.
with your, in
Yes.
the name of your,
Yes.
which has been allotted to the wife of the petitioner. Further, 3 weeks' time is granted to the learned counsel for the petitioner to advance his argument in the matter.
Yes, interim order, then we continue.
Huh?
Interim order, we continue.
Yes.
That's the problem. Interim order first, earlier shall continue. Till the next date only. Not only, till the next date, obviously.
May I sign, my lord?
Yes.
I am for respondent number 3 and 4, my lord. I am praying some more time, my lord, to file a petition.
What is the matter? What is the matter, sir?
Your Honor, this matter is that petitioner come within the definition of that the Bounded Labor System Act 1979. He has filed one application before the state respondents by filing by seeking one job. There is
From every family.
from only from one.
One from every family.
Yes, Your Honor.
So how many families are there?
In this family member, Your Honor, that I have no idea, but
Roughly, approximate.
Maybe 4.
400.
Only 4.
No, families from each from every family, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So how many families will be there?
This
Not
entire
a member of the family, entire.
that is circle, there are more than 500 voters are there. Among them, none of have been yet allotted for under this reservation, Your Honor. And
Some of them have been appointed.
None of them, Your Honor.
Huh?
None of them. Even in
No,
entire
from the community.
Yes, Your Honor. From entire is coming district, even that none of that community
I
have
think
been
2-3 of
appointed.
them have appointed.
That is from
Why
one
I'm saying it's of the record.
two is from Bichum district,
Hmm.
and one is from
So what is the recommendation of the High Power Committee? High Power Committee says what?
yes, Your Honor. Kindly see the page number 46.
Just give comments and findings. Education facilities, then service. Where is the service? Political pressure and things. Huh?
Paradi. The government should guarantee employment of one person per saloon family preferable.
Where it is?
Page number 46.
No, you come to the type copy.
Type copy is there in your
Employment opportunity. Huh?
57.
The government should guarantee the employment of one person per saloon family preferably within 3 months from the date. The saloon graduate should be directly considered. Yes, this is
Type copy is page
two,
number 50.
two is been given.
Yes,
Directly considerable appointment of post of X-ray assistant, that has been given,
yes, ma'am.
right? and semi-government. A class 12 pass student should be considered as a post of circle officer or any other equivalent post. That has also been given.
Yes, Your Honor.
Eligible asylum candidates should be given relaxation in education for jobs as in central government job, particularly in the armed forces. Labor and employment should be the nodal department for liaison coordination filling by semi-government. Yes.
And Your Honor, kindly see the page number 60 of the petition. In this type copy is page number 61. Where the Secretary of the Agriculture Department has also opined that since there is no AF representative from the project community to serve their area, we may consider the appointment of
Mr. Abod, counsel for the petition on the prayer of Mr. L. Perman, non-standing counsel for the Power Department and MSG at the Agriculture Department and MSG at the London Edition Senior Government Advocate
1 and 2 lawsuit.
for respondent 1 and 2. Further 3 weeks time is granted for filing affidavits. Your affidavit will also be required.
Yes, sir.
You have filed? No.
No lawsuit.
You file it.
Have communicated.
How far this was long back recommendation? The state decision will be department may not have the authority. Why have not approached the labor and employment? It's a nodal officer, a nodal department, labor and employment.
Your Honor, this application was
See,
dismissed by the
this will go to the, you have applied through who? Through the,
Agriculture Department.
no, that cannot be.
And
They may
then-
again proceed it because it's clearly says the nodal department would be the labor and employment.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
If we have passed
The
order,
application was
Considering the matter with regard to the claim for government employment being the member of the Purohit oblique Sulung.
Yes, Your
Should we mention Sulung? No.
Honor.
Purohit, we'll say Purohit. Are you Purohit or
Your
Sulung?
Honor, earlier I was said as Sulung, and in our notification also we have been recognized as Sulung. Later on, that have been developed and name as Purohit now.
So
Same.
both
Yes, Your Honor.
oblique Sulung community, the petitioner may apply, may approach the Department of what do we call it? Department of Employment or what?
Your Honor,
Nodal department.
Never commission.
this Your Honor, this application
Labor and Employment, Government of Department of Labor and Employment, Government of Arunachal Pradesh.
this
And the
application
on such application, the pendency on such the pendency of the present date person will be a bar to consider the case of the petitioner if in the event the petitioner applies approach the concerned department, we'll just simply provide.
legally obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, we have not been able to trace out the address of the respondent, Lordship.
So what can we do?
Lordship, we are praying for paper publication, Lordship.
Mr. E. Paying, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that despite the best possible efforts, they could not find out the address of the new address of the sole respondent. Mr. Therefore, praise that he may be allowed to take steps by our paper publication.
Yes, Lordship.
List of considering the submission, the non-considerable the petitioner is permitted to take steps through paper publication in two local, what do we call? Local newspapers.
Yes.
Popularly published. It's within the state or where?
Within the state, within Itanagar. Itanagar, Nahandagan.
The sole respondent is
So,
from
yes.
Itanagar.
His previous address is,
What do you call it? Popularly published in the state of Arunachal Pradesh within 7 days. That's all. List after 4 weeks.
legally applies.
Service complete.
My letter. We have filed our opinion also.
Huh?
We have already filed our opinion.
All of them.
Your Lordship. We have not filed, need some more time, Your Lordship.
You are for?
I'm for 1-3, Your Lordship.
Her Mr. So and so land council permit services are complete. List of Mr. L. Perme and Mr. M. Doji land council for the private respondents.
For 2 and 4, madam. I am for 2 and 4.
For 2 and 4 and private respondents have submitted that they have filed their respective affidavit in opposition. On the prayer of next prayer, Miss MSP Pangland State Council for respondent number
1 and 3, Your Lordship.
1 and 2. Is granted for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
11, 12, 11, 12. Sir, no steps.
My lord, yes, I'm sorry, my lord. I think item number 11. I don't know. We have taken steps in both these cases. In item number 12, it is already served and they are appearing also. But I may be given one more chance. Or if,
Item
if-
11. Item 11.
Item 11. And
12
since
you are
the-
here.
I think I can directly hand over the copy to.
I'm not sitting counsel of NSPC. My engagement is on the basis of letter of engagement, case to case basis.
You take it.
In that case, my lord, with Dusty on respondent number 5.
On the both 4 and 5. Who is 4?
No, 4 and 5 I'll take by registered post. Dusty service on number 5.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. T. Then council for the petitioner. Further, 2 days, 1 week time is granted to take precise steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 and 5 in this in WPC 44 of 2025 by registered post. Register. And also
Dusty on
by
5.
Dusty mode in respect of respondent number 5. That's all. List after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Item number 12, they have appeared.
Item number 12, my lord, I am appearing for the first time on behalf of respondent number 4 and 5,
So,
NHPC. And my lord, one more thing, you know, I would like to indicate. In this, there's a defect in this regulation. The parties have been wrongly projected in this regulation because, my lord,
it's okay, we'll consider it.
Yeah, we'll consider that. And my lord, the service is awaited for the state of Assam and the deputy commissioner.
Then you write in WPC hard so and so. MS. Who is 1? You are for 1.
1, 2, and 3.
MS. T1 State Council appears for respondent number 1 in
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3, and Mr. R.L. Tungan for respondent number, land council respondent 4 and 5. Who prays for and is granted, who have prayed for and granted 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavits. 4 weeks. Earlier is 4 weeks. List along with WPC 44/2000.
But 6 and 7 is State of Assam and Deputy Commissioner Likapali.
You have taken steps.
We have taken steps, but
Then-
service is awaited.
Then last you write in item 12, right? Await service report in respect of
6 and 7.
6 and 7.
Obliged.
Lordship, today we are submitting this written arguments.
You have submitted all this.
Lordship, it may be recorded. It may be on record.
You say, hard mistake. Will record your name or the Panging's name?
Pangin may be recorded.
Huh? Panging.
Yes, ma'am.
The Panging Land Council for the petition. No, we'll say. Mr. the MDOJ Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Deepang Land Council for the applicant and
GT Raju, respondent number this.
for applicant oblique respondent number 1, huh? Then and Mr. So and so appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Tatak, Land Council for the opposite party of the election petitioner, as well as Miss so and so for respondent number 3 on behalf of B. Pulu, Land Council for the respondent number 3. Hearing concluded, order reserved.
Deeply.
Wait,
No steps.
the IA actually unofficially copy was served. But it's not
No,
been
it's
reflected.
No steps. You officially serve, take steps.
But now already, my lord, order has been passed last occasion. There some clerical, typographical mistake was there. That has been corrected by. So today actually for the consideration of my interim prayer, man.
It's okay, but then this IA, no steps.
Only
You
for the
take-
respondent number 7. Respondent number 7.
No, it's for 1 and 7. That's why this has been listed for order, sir.
Okay, my lord, I will serve the copy.
I think it's better.
But in the main writ petition, my lord, the respondent number 7 has not given any response. So
We'll see.
he's still awaiting.
You take steps, we'll see. This is listed for orders for steps only. Who is for land management department?
I'm here, Lordship.
You are appearing.
Yes, Lordship.
So only respondents, you take steps. Had Mr. Tison Land Council for the applicant. Come on. Please, next para. Office note dated 30/06/2025 indicates that service reports in this, no steps has been taken by the petitioner for service of notice upon respondent number 1 in 7 list of since MS
Pangu.
P. Pangu, Learned State Council appears for respondent number 7, no service, no steps is required to be taken, and no formal notice need be served. Please stop. However, no, please stop. On the prayer of Mr. Petition and Council, further 3 days time is granted to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7.
Yeah.
This after
My small prayer is that for consideration of my stay order. Prayer for the stay order.
No, that we will consider
Always, sir.
after service. This after 4 weeks.
Bless the Lord, sir.
My lord, I was supposed to file affidavit in opposition, but instruction yet to receive. So
What is the matter?
this is regarding floating of tender in a short period.
Yeah.
Allegation.
Yes,
Your Lordship, I'm appearing from behalf of M. Kato, Your Lordship.
petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Petitioner.
Yes,
Petitioner.
Petitioner.
yes, yes.
So, heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel by the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. Item 16.
16 years.
M. Kato is not there.
Kato is
Your Lordship,
Item 16. This is Jaya Doji. Jaya Doji Matohali Ti Tagia Diga Dio. Item
much
16.
apologies, Your Lordship.
Golo Tatung. Golo Talung.
Talong.
You are there.
Your Lordship, J. Doji, Your Lordship.
Appearing on behalf of on the prayer, Mr. Next para. Jitara, Learned Standing Council, RWD, Rural Roads Department. Further 3 weeks time is granted to. Further 3 weeks time is granted for filing affidavit. Yes.
College.
Much obliged.
Please.
The applicants are the petitioner in the petition number 59. I filed this, I for the implement of respondent and striking out of the respondent number 3, and I say real. As per the order dated 18/6/2025, I was allowed to file a requisite application, required application of the implement of the necessary part. Therefore, I'm filing this application.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Any objection?
No, my lord, we are not the party here, my lord. We have already handed over the work to the BRO, my lord. In fact, the BRO is undertaking the work, my lord.
So you wanted you are no longer a necessary party.
My lord, my lord.
So you are for Ministry of Defense.
No, my lord. I'm appearing for respondent number 3, my lord. The NSDCL, my lord.
Okay. So you wanted the Ministry of Defense represented by the commanding officer.
BRO.
A Ministry of Office and the commanding officer to be implemented.
Yes.
Secretary Ministry of Defense or only the commanding officer?
Both. Ministry of Defense and commanding officer.
Anyway, heard Mr.
I want.
I Learned Counsel for the petition applicants and Mr. Who is one? You are one. 1, 2.
1 and 2.
MS T. Wang Learned Additional Learned Senior Learned State Council for respondent number 1 and 2, opposite party 1 and 2, and Mr. O. Pada Learned Council for respondent number opposite party number 3. Opposite party.
He was earlier respondent number 3.
Now
He is no more in the case.
okay. No, respondent number for respondent number 3 in writ petition. Writ petition 249 of 2024. Next para. This is an application for application seeking implement of Ministry of Defense, Government of India, represented by the Secretary Defense and Commanding Officer 116 Road Construction CEO Y Company based to within the drift as respondent number 3 and 4.
Yes.
3 and 4 in the connected writ petition being WPC 249/2024. Will strike off in the writ petition differently.
My lord, that may be, that order may be passed that.
Will pass in the writ petition.
Yes.
Struck him.
Yes.
You have prayed here also to replace. Will not say replace. Will allow you to implement. Having considered the amendment made in the application, which indicating the indicating being necessary parties in the connected writ petition, and also considering that the considering the nature of grievance raised by the applicant public petitioners in the connected writ petition, as well as prayer not been objected to by learned counsel for the respondents. I deem it appropriate to allow this application. Accordingly, the applicant is allowed to implement the following respondents as party respondent number 3 and 4 in the connected writ petition. You just write, where you have mentioned that given address range.
In the course title, it's a page
3 and 4,
15.
page 15, You just, Minister of Defense, Government of India, representation, page 15. And number 4, commanding officer, so and so. No, you just 1 and 2, then we have said as respondent number 4 and 3 and 4, right? Therefore, you just mention serially 1, 2. It is given 3 and 4, you just read 1 and 2. The application IA stands allow them dispose that. That's all. Next para. No, next in IA. Sorry, writ petition. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition. And again, 3 of them, having considered, next para, having considered that the respondent number 3, my lord, in this writ petition is not a necessary party, no longer a necessary party,
No, Lord.
in the matter, the name of the respondent number 3. Namely, so and so, respondent number 3. Stands struck off.
My
Struck
lord.
off,
My lord.
struck off. Listen, next para. In view of the order passed in ISO and so, the learned counsel for the petitioners to file amended course title according and please thereafter registry to incorporate the newly implemented respondents in the writ petition. Okay. That's all.
All right.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, Lordship, in item 16, 3 weeks time have been granted to file affidavit. Lordship, can
2
the
weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
Item 16.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, can this matter be listed for tomorrow?
No.
Lordship, there's an urgency, Lordship.
We've already, they are seeking, they have sought for a time. Who are there? Your friend was there? Were there?
Lordship, we didn't receive the proper instruction from the council, Your Lordship. So we just received the council. It's a
Yeah,
matter of
help us,
urgency, Your
we have
Lordship.
passed the order because in any case, we would like to see, response will be required.
And also, I'd like to mention this item number 20.
Huh?
Item number 20, Lordship.
20.
Yeah, Lordship, this conducting a.
20 we have already adjourned.
Okay, Lord.
Already adjourned.
Lordship,
Ah,
Lordship, kindly matter may be fixed list for tomorrow. We will inform the.
you inform the other side. We have
Yes,
already
Lordship, we will
granted.
inform them.
You have informed. Friday. We'll see on Friday.
Right.
List the, as agreed to by land council for the petition, item 16, list the matter on Friday. You give that date. Huh?
Obliged, Lordship.